Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be kitting down the leftover drills I had from my Christmas Carriage diamond painting. I will link the completion and the kitting up video above. So I do use these photo boxes. I have 3 of them, split by DMC number. Each of my what's it called? Colors has a baggie with the name of the DMC color, the DMC number, and then the shape. And I do split the rounds and squares, obviously, and I also do try to shade match. So if you've done a bunch of diamond paintings and keep your leftover diamonds, you probably have noticed that the DMC numbers, like the colors of the drills, even if they are at the same DMC, do not always match in shade. So I do also kind of shade match. Like I've tried to just combine ones with very, very subtle differences in shade, but if you look at it and you're like, bam, that's a completely different color, yeah, it goes into another baggie. So I also have this just small like index card holder that I put my specials shapes in, and this diamond painting came with a whole bunch of special shapes. These are actually, they actually did just come in the Ziploc baggies. So I'm just gonna put them into here. I don't really have a filing system because there's no code to them. Maybe at some point I'll notice that this Y120 is universal to every single Y120. I don't know, but a lot of the specials don't have any sort of code to them. So then it also has one AB. It looks like it's 141. Let's see. I actually do have a bag of 141 ABs, so let's go put them in together, assuming they match in shade. So, oh yeah, no, see, I don't know if you'll be able to tell on camera. Yeah, I'm looking at it through the screen and I can't even see it, but in person, these are actually relatively different shades of white. This one is more of a off-white, while this one is more of a white. So they're different enough that I saw it like immediately that they're different. So I'm gonna just put them into a separate baggie. I do keep all my bags, as long as there's no blatant hole, I do keep all my baggies from diamond painting. So this was some other diamond painting. So, but I'm gonna keep that in a separate baggie because I don't like mixing this. I just don't like mixing them. And I do keep the ABs and all my rhinestones in here, and I use them lots of times to enhance any diamond paintings that don't have any ABs and rhinestones, and only if I see something blatant on a picture that I want to enhance, because I have not liked results when there's just too many enhancements. Sometimes subtle is better. All right. So if you have seen my other videos, I do, what's it called? Mix my round and square into this, or not mix, but they are both in this box. So I have yet to accidentally put the wrong shape in, but I've pretty much tried to just always put the rounds in front and the squares in the back. But yeah, here is the first one. So B5200, it's that weird DMC where sometimes in some diamond paintings you see it at the end and sometimes you see it at the beginning. Yeah, no, these match. So I'm gonna put them together. Man, I hate it when the two line up exactly and they don't go down. Okay. And then I do keep the label as a souvenir. I might stop doing it because sometimes they can get kind of kind of scary busy like this. But for now, I'm just gonna keep doing it. All right, there are like 39 more colors here, so I'm gonna do the rest of this on a time lapse, and I'll say hi at the end of the video. Okay, here's the last color, Apricot Light. I actually had to get out my labels a lot for this one. I guess I haven't done that many rounds that I didn't already have it in my inventory. But now after doing this dekitting, I'm realizing I'm gonna have to get a fourth box. the first box and the third box were really, really full. The second one was full, but not that full. So yeah, I'm gonna have to get another box. I'm gonna see if they have another sparkly color. Like when I went to Joann's, sometimes they don't have in like a different color. Like I could get the same color, but I know they have like a purple sparkly one. I've seen it, but at the time I just didn't buy it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to get a fourth box. And I just have so many now. I'm gonna have to come up with something to do with them. I have seen other diamond painters do like a heaven and earth designs or something, but I don't think I have that many to do one of them. Um, but I would want to do one that was small. Like I don't think I want something massive. But yep. Thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.